Storm's Tech channel here, and the Pixel 9 has been leaked in video here. You guys can see right there on the screen. So the Pixel 9 has been leaked in video here, which you guys can check out down below. So it shows the Pixel 9 in a pinkish color. That's one of the rumored colors for the Pixel 9, so that'll be pretty interesting. So we do get to see front and back of the phone. Back of the phone has the camera bar, obviously the dual camera set up there in the oval shaped cutout, and then camera flash, of course, Google logo and whatnot. The phone looks real, or probably a prototype or whatever. It looks real to me, because it's reflective off the glass at the lights and stuff. So yeah, what are your guys' thoughts on the Pixel 9 in pink? Would you guys buy a pink Pixel if it was available? Okay, that's one of the rumored color options is a pink Pixel. You also have a obsidian color option, which is my favorite colors for the Pixel. You also will have a porcelain, a jade, and the penny color, which is this pink color being shown in the video here. What are your guys' thoughts about the Pixel 9? Do you guys like it? Do you guys hate it? Would you guys buy a pink Pixel if it was available? So yeah, we'll see if the pink Pixel do come to fruition at Google's event on August 13th. So yeah, if you guys want to check this video out, obviously a link will be down below. So it basically just goes in a loop there, so you guys front, back, up, top, up, down, bottom, stuff like that. The screen's not on for obvious reasons. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.